Yan. Not 300. Nice. Hundred. Yoshi. Favorite debater is here. Let's go. Let's go, Stanley. Wait lang. Anong ginagawa ko dito? Switch to weekly. Okay, okay. So, may 600 na akong ganyan. Oh! I'm rich! Procrastinating time, Yorachi. Ito ano? Ano? TikTok live studio. Ra! 100% yung gnomes. Grabe naman. Okay. Let's play. Wala ba sasali? Oso gods ka ba? Hindi. Never pa nga ako naglaro ng Oso eh. Tsaka yung pag naglalaro ako ng rhythm games, something's wrong. I cannot play rhythm games. Yo, Bloop Step. Alata, hindi ML today. Ako yung ang tawag dito. Ako yung maglalaro ng Starlight. Wow, my hand cam. Sabi ko, dapat pwedeng si Alice. Sabi ko parang gagawa ako ng crush sa robot for FPS. Papakita ko lang, kasi may nagtatanong kasi minsan, paano mo ginagamit yung pag nagsasabi ako, ang gamit ko yung gamit ko drawing tablet. So, ayan, nilagay ko ng handcam para kita na. lagi man may handcam pag naluluto. Yung ibig ko sabihin yung yung tablet, yung gamit ko pag sa barilan. Yes. By the way, mamaya, 'di ba na yung karamihan naman sa inyo nasa server na mayroon tayong laro mamaya. Ano yun? Ano yung lalaroin natin? Gartic Phone 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m., Goose Goose Duck. Tapos, Princess Mononoke Anime Movie, Studio Ghibli. Mamayang 9:30 p.m. Diba? Ganda ng boses ni Ganda! Nakakakilig naman, Rain! Anyways. What if may viewer na may hand fetish? Eh di kapag ganun, mahilig siya manood talaga ng marhaya. Kasi puro handcam. Oo nga, paano ko maglalaro niyan? Maglalaro tayo mamaya ng Taguan Feelings. Wow! What was that? I don't know. What the heck? Where are we? Where are we going? Wait lang, nag-aano yung kamay ko. Kailangan ko ng tissue. Nagpapawis yung kamay ko. Pangit naman ng landing namin. Anyway. Oh, may Hornet Pistol agad ako. At may gold. Sino yung may kalaban? May Hornet Pistol ako. I can kill people. Ay, may M4 ako. Nice! I love it! Anyways. O, diba ginagamit ko na yung ko? Sino yung kalaban? No way she's playing with the tablet. Yeah, I am playing with the tablet. It's easier, diba? Whee! May barilan? Wait, what? it's okay. Maybe I can... We died! Anyways, that was me playing with auto aim gun. Di wala. Yeah, not Apex. This is... Tawag doon? This is... Firelight. By the way, lagi lang akong kinikerry Firelight 6-7. Lagi lang ako kinikerry ng teammates ko, kaya nandun, ganun na yung rank ko. Pero, mamaya, road to pababa tayo ng rank. Makikita nyo kung ano yung tunay kong skills, which is pag-loot. I am skilled in looting, actually. Dati gumagawa, ngayon naglalaro. Huy, ano? Gumagawa. Dapat mag-aano ko ngayon, magka-crafts. Kaso sabi ko, malapit na kasi mag 8 o'clock. Ano ba yan? Hindi man lang ako naka-warm up. Malapit na kasi mag 8 o'clock. Eh di, magpapanik na naman ako. May kasi, di ba mamaya, movie night. So, ayun. Halimaw pala pag off-stream. Ha? Ano off-stream? Scavenger sa PUBG. X Gaming. Scavenger sa Firelight. Gaming check. Making something X. Wow. Ang cute nila. Kailangan ko ng tissue ulit. Mamaya pala sa DC server. Sumali kayo. May may game night and movie night. So, kung di pa kayo nakasali sa server, DM me for the link. Ako na may dalawang assignment pero maglalaro. Naglalaro kasi tinatamad para panic mamaya. At least, hindi pa bukas pasahan. Bukas mo na lang gawin yung sa Monday mo na lang gawin assignment mo. Yan may tinatawag na sweaty gamer. Try mo my scatter ability. Scatter ability para dodge mo na lang. Ano yun? Ano yun? Sino yun, Yasha? Ba't Monday? Yan ang yan ang tunay na gamer. Wala, meron din naglan dito. Okay, meron akong baril. Pwede tayo makipagbakbakan. Whee! I'm looting. I'm busy looting. Mamaya na sila yung mga gusto makipaglaban. Auto-aim gun na naman. Makikipaglaban sila. Tulungan ko yung kampi ko. Pagkatapos ko mag-loot. Magluluto ka, parang FPS drop ba siya or live lang? Anong FPS drop? Ay, yung FPS drop ako? I guess. Asan yung nagbabarilan? What? Huh. Na may keycard. Special technique na lang mamaya para may sagot na. May kalaban, tara mag-loot. Paano ba dito umakyat? Ay. Loot muna, mamaya na sila. Uy, M16. Saan yung labanan? May Hornet pistol ako. Whee! Mamaya na lang ulit ako maglalaro, papabuhat ako, ha? Ooh! Ooh! Nice! Daming lootable places. What the heck? May kalaban ba? Kaya gusto ko rin to nung... Grabe talaga yung pistol. Oo eh. Kasi nahanap niya yung kalaban. Diba? Auto-aim talaga kung auto-aim. Ay! Pinatay pala ako. Ah, mayroon natas. Ayun pala siya. Anyways, ang bilis ko maglakad. Thank you po. May oso ka. I'm being rescued. Ang ganda niya! Nag-oso ka hindi. Hornet plus AR weapon, paldo. Whee! Gusto ko ng ano, M4. Pero okay na rin naman tong M16. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nito. Creates a storm zone. Oh! What? Nasaan? Nasaan? Ano ba sinasabi niya? Ay, sasakay kami ng ano. Sasakay ba kami dito? Adventure time!
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next
What?
opponent? Restoring shield.
Meron ba ako nitong ano? Wala pa akong scope! What the heck? Okay, di ko kailangan ng scope dun. Give me. Meron naman akong ano eh. Ayan o, rollerblades. I'm rich. Ako meron scope. Gusto ko na tong petal peeper. Ano to? Extreme wind. Uy, sight.
Pick a trait. What'll help
Yay! Magandang scope ko. Ano brown ng mouse ko? Ito, generic lang to na mouse. Hindi ako nagamit ng mouse. Wait lang. Sana? Uy, loot, 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 loot! Yan, may 1-3 scope na siya. Ano yan, ballpen? Hindi, drawing tablet. Loot-loot delay yun. Nasa yung mga kakampi ko? Ba't ang layo nila? Wala na ata akong kailangan malut eh. Mayaman na ata ako. Kailangan ko pala mag-petal peeper. Saan ako lalabas?
Pick a trait.
Ah, pupunta kami doon.
Help me punish my next opponent.
Nyek! Ba't sarado? Ay, dito pala sa kabila. Ah! Anyways. Ay, wait, nagsabi na ba ako ng celebrate? Nice. Nasaan na yung mga kampi ko? Taga-ubos na, iniwan ka na po kasi naubos mo na yung loot. Yun yung kakampi ko. Kailangan malapit lang ako sa kakampi ko para makarry na ako. Sayang talaga Firelight, ibalik na yung old game mechanics. New player lang ako eh. Wala akong na-miss.
But you shouldn't hesitate for a hint. Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone as planned.
Eh, magpe-petal peeper pala ako.
Excellent.
Uy, ayun, may mga kalaban.
Located the enemy.
Sundan ko yung mga kakampi ko.
New buddy incoming.
Kailangan malapit sa kakampi para makapag-loot.
Pick a trait? What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Nasaan yung kalaban? Mga naglalaban. Sama kami, sama kami. Da-da-da-da-da.
One less to worry about. Reloading. Wait for me. New buddy has arrived.
Ah, na 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 na.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Na-na-na.
Pick a trait. What'll help me
Loot
punish my
lang ng loot. Hindi matatapos ang paglulot sa mundo. Kukunin ko lang to. Yung XP.
There's an open door here.
What?
Someone was here.
Da-da-da-da. Mag-AR pistol only. Eh kasi ba naman anong pistol to? Eh, auto-aim pistol na nakakapag ano ng nakakahanap ng kalaban. Nasaan may mga kakampi ko? Saan ba sila papunta? Hala ka, nawawala ako.
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Wala, I'm lost! I'm lost! Nasaan ba sila? Andito sa kabila. It's fine, para pala yun sa mga walang aim. Yes! Naligaw na gaming. Roblox ba yan? Minecraft. Kanta ka rin panghakot ng viewers bagong method. Naku! Lagi na akong kumakanta. Marami na akong nahakot. Chok lang. Whee! May auto-aim. Yeah, madugang nga to. Tsaka, oh shoot.
Getting ammo.
Wah!
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Ano yun? Bakit nakalaglag yung mga items niya? Tingnan niyo yung damage ko, 400 pa lang. Sila mga, ano na yan, 2,000 na. Takot kami ni mama kahit hindi nakanta. Lalo pag legendary na yung pistol, naka-auto-aim na naka-reload, auto-reload pa. Loko! Firelight. Yes, Firelight to din. Whee! What's this? Ano to?
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
We're all inside the safe zone. Nice work.
Ano to? Ah. Oh, damage reduction in melee combats. That's good. Naka-pistol ako. Sobrang kakaiba na yung game. May mga Pokemon. Yes, marami pa. Ano to? Transports. Dun. Ah! Nanalo kami ng walang ginagawa! I mean, nawalalo ako ng walang ginagawa. Ano ba yan? Hello, Marhaya. Hello, Mr. Puff. Wala akong ginawa doon! Tingnan nga natin. Oh, mga 1,000 yung damage nila. Ang ganda-ganda ng ang ganda-ganda ng weapons ko. Tapos wala man lang ako na 2 knockouts, 4 assists. Tamad ka talaga maglaro. Tamad maglaro. Ganda yung Hornet kapag diverse playstyle yung player. Yeah. Eh ako, wala. Naalala ko dati. Ako na lang, mag-ano kasi ako, minsan parang hindi ako na match sa ibang player. So mag-isa lang talaga ako as in solo. Tapos, naka-Hornet pistol ako nun. Tapos nanalo ako nun kasi nandun ako sa safe zone. Tapos ginamit ko si Bo yung yung lalaki na yung kapakampi ko kanina. Yung may AOE na na damage. Siya yung ko. Gamit. Tapos nanalo ako. Nasaan ba mga kalaban? Wala akong marinig kasi nakaano ako speakers eh. Happy streaming. Thank you. I do squared? Notch. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dyan. Lagi kasi nasa solo gaming. Oo. Nung bagong start ng season, laging solo ko. Nakakapanibago yung playstyle. Bakit nakakapanibago? Yung tamad yung naglulot lang. Eh, masaya. Kaya hindi ako natutuwa sa Valo kasi pag namatay ka, basta wala kang magawa dun. Hindi ko kaya mag-clutch kasi di ako marunong mag-aim. Hindi ako marunong hindi ako marunong ng movement. Yung yung magpipik-pik, ganyan. Pen yung gamit mo eh. Mas madali to. Kasi alam nyo naman yung fingers ko, 'di ba? Oh, ganyan. Pag hawak ko yung mouse, nakaganon yan. Sobrang sakit nun. Sobrang sakit. Nakaganon yung kamay. So, kapag ganito, easy. Pati nga pagmamahal mo, di mo alam. Ha? Stretching. I'm gonna get carried again. Kinuha ko yung Hornet pistol pag napunta sa akin. Pero pag di napunta sa akin, kailangan ko mag-practice mag-game. Panalo ulit. Paano sakit? Mas masakit pa pag nakita mo siyang may kasamang iba. Mas masakit ng malaman mong may kausap siyang iba habang kinakausap ka niya. Uy! Mag-ano kami dun? Magda-drop kami dun sa may Nice. Paano niya yung nakita? So, walang ibang kalaban dito. Oh, shoot. Oh, freak. Tyrant LMG. Hindi ko alam kung paano to eh.
Hey, I got you a gift. Enough with the hide and seek.
Man! Ang hirap-hirap na malog-alog yun. Tawag dun. Anong baril na yun? Itutok mo ba daw? Di lang naman ako yun.
Just the two of us. Normally, let's show danger. Now that's a perfect
Bakit niya ako nire-resurrect? Meron naman, katabi niya lang naman ako. Ba't ganon? Para sa akin nakakahilo pag FPS, kaya third person. Mas masakit pala mabangga ng e-bike. Nasaan ba yung mga kampi ko? Freak! Ay, hindi nagana yung mouse ko. Yan na, nagana na. Freak, ayoko nito! Oh, buti na lang merong baril. Give me stuff. Give me stuff. Please give me nice things. Nen. Ano ba yung binigay sa akin? Tactical stock, what the heck? Yes, loot. Kaso wala akong scope. Freak.
right through their shield. Enemy defeated.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Oh. Wee. Ito na lang. Pwede ba to? Wala pa rin akong scope, freak!
Enemy squad defeated.
What the heck? Killer yung mga ano ko. Mga kakampi. Lipat na. Ay, freak. What the heck? 2. Ay, 1. 1 pala, 1.
Reloading. Don't rush me.
Meron pa ba? Kalaban? What the heck? Yes! May scope na! Ay. Yes! I like this scope.
Time for an intermission. I need to reload.
Restore.
Shattered their shield into pieces.
Ay.
Trouble over here.
Wait lang. Wait lang, boss.
Over here. Bubbling my pace. On my way.
Whee!
Restoring shield. Enemy killed. Using med.
Meron pang kalaban.
Little one, shield just vanished.
Whee! Wala bang M4 pa dyan?
Enemy squad defeated. That's the wrap.
Loot.
Ambush. Careful of enemy squad defeated. That's the wrap.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Wee!
Refilling ammo.
Grabing handcam yan. Ano? Hindi ko nabasa.
Using med kit.
Invader na nga lang. Mag-Yet Ember, mahirap kalabanin sa chulo.
Reloading. Wait for me.
Ay, Dedge! La 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 la. Kaya ba crossplay? Hindi daw pwede crossplay. Grabing handcam yan pang Valorant. Pero hindi pang PC. Wala na nangyayari. Hindi ko narinig. Ayan.
Maybe we'll find inspiration there. Reloading. On to the bitter end.
Nice, I'm getting carried.
I just found an enemy. I got another one. Yes, tore right through their shield.
Wala nang crossplay ngayon eh sa bagong Farlight. Thank you po sa pag-resurrect sa akin, mga bossing.
I'm under attack. Need reinforcements. Restoring shield.
Yun, nandun.
Refilling ammo.
What the heck?
My way. I'm over here. Requesting reinforcements. Shield.
That's how people actually play, not how I play. Da, 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 da. La, da, 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 da. La, da, 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 da. Uy, merong ano. May airdrop. Tining. Tining. Ang cute niya. They're resurrecting me. The one and only me. Thanks.
Not bad at all. The safe zone shrinking. But
Oh, wala akong scope. Anyways, I'm okay. Kailangan ko ng malulutan. Give me stuff. Wow. Lucinda gameplay. Sino si Lucinda? Gimme loot, gimme loot. Uy, may Hornet pistol. Wait lang mga boss, I'm busy looting.
3 enemy squads left.
Tore right through their shield.
Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone.
Oh,
as
freak.
planned.
Sniper.
Restoring shield.
Two enemy squads left.
Kunin ko na nga lang yung sniper. Nasaan na yung pintuan? Eh, wag na nga lang. Okay na to.
Direct hits. Tore right through their shield. I need to see. Water box is open. Be attacked.
Shield recharging. shrinking, but we're close.
Wee!
Cool. The new song has a drum beat. Jack, looks like there's another band nearby. I'm under it. I'm down. Somebody help me up. I just shattered your shield.
Di ako makaano.
Save me, please.
Getting ammo.
Enemy down.
30 seconds.
Hehe!
Impossible.
I dodge agad without looking. Uy, uy. Ri, 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 ri.
Good thing going.
Ba, 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 ba. Man. Pag nag-World War 3, maglulot ako. May sniper. Sayang, pero at least 3. Di mahalaga na nag-way ang mahalaga. Wait, tingnan nga natin. Kita nyo ba? Ay, may damage pala ako! Okay lang pala. Okay. Anong oras na ba? Pala? Anong oras na pala? Wait lang. Nasaan na yung ano ko? 6:54. So, may 30 minutes pa ako bago maglaro. I mean, mga 45 minutes siguro. Para maglalaro tayo sa DC. Warm up muna, warm up. Oras na po para kalimutan siya. Ate pa extend PC5. 1 hour. 3 hours. Oh! B9 pistol. Tama ba yung pinuntahan ko? Hey, Dej! Sino ba ano yan? Naglalag kami. Sa DC, may link ba? Yeah! Merong ano. DM me, ma'am, for the link. Yeah, siya.
A new reaper. Reloading. Wait. One shield just then.
Pag!
Total elimination. Like my bullets. Another one down. Reloading. Wait for me.
Ah!
With work of their shield, didn't I?
Frick! Ala, nakaano ko. Sniper. Sorry, nanonood ako ng Batibot. Gusto siya mag-first mob. Hindi ako. Anong first move? Ah! Hindi, kailangan yung mag-message sa akin sa dito sa TikTok. I-DM niyo ako. Gabi, naubos yung tugis na. Nagpa-practice na siya from World War III. Yo, that's thick. Who? This guy? Thick head. Ito pa mas maganda, oh. Ding. But Leon is thicker. Pang kay Dod, magandang gamitin mag-skating. Ah. Wala ako nun eh. Wala ako ng ibang mga Freak, ako yung Jetmaster. Bala kayo dyan. Oh, freak! Yes, I have scope.
Looks like we're all in the safe zone.
Oh, baba na, baba na.
Choosing
Sundan ko yung
safe
kakampi
zones
ko.
should be done carefully,
Para siya yung unang
but you
mamatay.
shouldn't hesitate forever.
Dito yung pinag-practicean namin Ay, pinag-practicean ko kanina, diba? Uy, M4! M4! Nice!
Looks like someone beat us to it. Reloading. Don't rush me.
Wee! Paano kanyang bumabaril? Pinatap ko lang.
A new Reaper? Good luck with that.
Everyone's in the safe zone.
Pick a trait. Enough with the hide and seek.
Enemy shield shattered. Reloading. Don't worry, it'll just take a moment. Enemy knockdown.
It looks like your recent experiments haven't been very successful.
Da-da-da.
Was that shield made of paper? Getting ammo.
May buttons yung pen. Hindi! Tinatap ko lang sa tinatap ko lang dito. Ito, tatap ko, baril na yun. Hindi nagana yung buttons dito sa pag naglalaro.
Reloading. Don't rush me. One shield just vanished.
They're all down. Reloading.
Haha, nakuha ko na una ako makakuha. M4 rin siya, MK24. MK24.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent? Enough with the hide and seek.
Restoring shield.
Reloading. Wait for me.
The heck? Maglulot na nga lang muna ako. Balan sila dyan magpatayan.
Enough with the hide and seek.
La la la.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next?
I'm under attack. They got my suit dirty. Reloading. It won't take long.
Kunin ko na nga lang yun.
Reloading.
Was the shield? They're all down.
Everyone should start from the bottom.
Ah!
That's the only way to learn how
Anyways.
painful it is to fall.
Wah! Death Note kasi yung sinusulat niya pangalan ng kalaban. First loot roll ni High. Loot muna kasi wala pa nga.
But you shouldn't hesitate.
VRV, okay. Thanks for being here. Ah! Ba yan? Kahit dun wala akong aim! Asan ba yun? Andito. Ganing ginagawa kanina nung kakampi ko eh, nakaganon.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate for it.
Slider.
Leveling up? Simple as
Hahaha. Gusto ko pumunta dun.
Lost, are you? Thought you could keep up.
Gusto ko pumunta dun no, yung may free, free thingy. Nick, tactical stock freak!
Half the squad's
choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate.
Lilipad na nga lang ako dito. Ang hirap naman mag-ano.
ready for another drop.
Get over here. Was that shield made of paper? Knock down the enemy. Enemies up ahead. Reloading. I'm down. Give me
Oh no. Patay siya. Busy kami mag-loot ng kakampi ko eh.
Get out of here. Is this how it ends?
Enough with the hide and seek.
Respawn device over there. Bring me back.
Ah, okay. Respawn na lang daw siya. Ivan TZ pala yung pangalan ng ano natin. Pinoy ata to. Lumipad ang aming team. Anong game mode yan sa Osu? Uy. AK bar 4 times scope. Tara nga, kunin ko nga yung 4 times scope.
New buddy incoming.
I'll wait for you over there.
Yung larong to, luck rin yun eh. It also depends on luck. Kung maganda yung nakuha mong baril ganyan, di ko alam na meron silang battle royale mode.
3 enemy squads left.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my... Enough with the hide and seek.
We're nearly to the safe zone.
New
just
buddy
the way I
has
like it.
arrived. Enough with the hide and seek. Pick a trait? That'll help me punish my next opponent.
Kalaban dun.
Second, and we're almost in the safe zone. Two enemy squads left.
Restoring shield. Enough with the hide and seek.
Tara, punta muna tayo dun sa kabayo. Let's
Choosing
celebrate
field
Happy
should be done
Lunar
carefully,
New Year.
but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
What the heck? Bakit nandito kami sa ano?
Almost there. Just one last push.
Enough with the hide and seek. The safe zone shrinking, but we're close. Pick a trait. What'll help me finish my next
Shoot, shoot.
Using medkit.
Wah! Scary naman yun.
reloading. Wait for me.
Healer should be adjusted to take effect quickly. Restoring shield. Relax.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Ah, freak! Man. Final rank. Ding. Tingnan nga natin. Oh, 518. Playing FPS using Tablet Diabolica. Sayang clutch na. Kaya nga. That was fun though. Pero ano yung mga ano nila eh, mga ano sila, mga red tsaka yellow shields, grabe. Sayang kasi, ano, mali yung direction na pinaghilan ko, nandun yung kalaban. So, ayun lang. Agnas. Natatawa ako sa Agnas. Ay, nako. Mas madali kasi. Ama ka na gumarhaya. Masyado ka na gumagaling. Nagpapabuhat lang ako sa kampi ko. Kaya kami nananalo kasi ano, magagaling ka kampi ko. Galing niya mag-slide jump. Ha? May tinuro ga lang sa akin yun eh. Sabi ano daw, mag-ano ka. Ano yun? Oo. C, tapos space, ganun. Tinuro niya sa akin. Iba ata yung, gusto niya atang kunin to si ano eh. Ito talang kukunin ka.
Let's put on a show they'll never forget.
Sino? Tinuruan ako dito sa stream. Si Biplop yun eh, yung nagturo. Tapos proud siya nung nakita niyang ginagawa ko na. Dati pa yun, matagal na yun, last year pa yun. Hindi. Ay, ikaw ba yun? Ikaw ba yun? Iba na pala pangalan mo. Bakit nagbalit ka daw ng pangalan? Hindi ka na si Bawi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah. Ooh, drilling platform? Ay, hindi pala. Ano ba talaga? Hindi siya mapakali kung saan siya maglaland. Gusto ko dito sa may yellow. 'Di ba? Oh! M4, M4, M4. Pero di ko pa rin kinaya ang drawing tab. Agnas.
We're already in the next safe zone. That's a relief. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my
Striker, shotgun, 4 times. No! Not 4 times scope! Freak! Whee! Ba yan? Nagaan ako nagpa-parkour. Nakakuha ako! Lagot na!
stacking down.
Tapon mo, sayang item slot. Ay, wait. Looting area to eh. Freak, ayoko nitong scope na to! Wala bang iba?
Relax. Everyone's in the safe zone.
Pag wala pa rin ako makuha ang scope, yun na yung gagamitin ko.
I forgot to upgrade
Pero
my
di pa rin nag-upgrade ng skills. Ah! Nga pala. Ay, meron nga palang ano to, di ba? Ay, ano to? Oh! Ayos. Nice. Nasaan na yung mga kakampi ko? Mag-isa na lang ako lagot. Uh-oh. Anyways, papasok ako dun sa rift. Dahil mag-isa lang ako. May hornet pistol naman ako. Ba't may bumabaril? What the heck?
Oops, I forgot to upgrade my trouble over here.
What?
Reload.
I'm gonna die! What the heck? La 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 la.
Respawn device here. Anybody mind bringing me back?
Resurrect na ako ng kampi ko. Gamitin mo si Bo. Hindi, tinatry ko to kasi ano, pwede niya ma-detect yung enemies. Kaso nakakalimutan ko kung ano, yung skills? Letter Q ba yun? O letter E?
Enemies over there. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Pupuntahan namin yung ano, yung dinaanan ko. Maghihiganti ako sa kanila. Wait lang. Ano nga ba yun? Letter Q. Q. Oh, may golden siya na petal paper, oh.
I can hear you. Activating EMP.
Higanti ng api.
Wait. Enemy down.
Wait lang, ano to? Tama, M4 naman. Whee! Hornet pistol rin siya.
Deny.
Enemy down.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Yun, ang daming loot dito. Top cutie. Ehe! Or si Lingbo. Din pang takas. Lingbo, oo nga.
Open fire. Ha. Reloading. Don't rush me.
Now that's a perfect curtain call. Relax. Here comes some music therapy.
Half the squads are out. So far,
Ah, wow, KS.
Good luck with that.
Using medkit.
So, saan na tayo, guys?
I can hear you.
Gusto ko pumasok dun sa rift kaso ayaw nila pumasok. Ang cute niya, oh, nasa loob siya. Wait, saan ba? Bakit tayo kami dun pumunta? Shemaika!
I can hear you.
Upgrade them. Ay, oo nga pala.
Let's see what's inside.
Ay, mali. Paano ba yun? Alt. Ay, mali! Bakit yun yung in-upgrade ko? Freak! Hala, nasa na ako. Ano nangyari sa akin? Gulat naman ako dun. Mine, mine, mine. Mine, 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 mine stuff. Mine rollerblades.
I made quick work of their shield, didn't I?
Nangaagaw eh.
Want to take the Reaper on?
Mas maganda pala to. Yay! Looter yarn. Pwede pa ba namin mapuntahan yung ano, yung kabayo? Huwag na nga lang.
I can hear you.
Extended sniper magazine here. Level 5.
hindi ka na pinuntahan, maalam na nila iyo. Ah! Ano ba yan? Wait lang, paano dito makaalis? Paano dito makaalis? Papasok ba ako dito? Alam niyo ba dati na dahil na-trap ako sa building, di ko alam kung saan ako makakaalis. Ano, namatay ako sa zone. What's this? What? Loot? More loot? Swerte ko naman. Hala. I-rescue ko siya. Oh, shh! Freak. Run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away fast. Freak! I'm scared!
Everyone's in the safe
Perfect sense of direction.
One of our squad mates got eliminated.
I'm scared! Sayang, kakabukas ko lang na sponsor box. Anyways. Thank you, guys. This is how looters survive. May Hornet pistol pala ako. Pwede pala ako makipag 1v1. Ngayon ko lang napansin.
Enemies over there. Don't say I didn't warn you.
New song coming on.
Uy, nasa zone kami. Oh, shoot.
Lucky for us, we're full.
Enemy squad defeated.
2 enemy squads left.
200 pa lang yung damage ko.
I can hear you.
Loot muna siguro. What the heck? Gold na ako! Wala pa akong ginagawa! I mean, yung yellow shield na. Maglulot nga muna ako para naman meron tayong feeling na ginagawa.
Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone and land.
Ano to? Ang ginagawa nito? Ay, nakuha na niya. Oh my gosh, I need to celebrate. Oy, freak! Nakuha niya! Mine yon! Freak! Anyways, I'm fine. My teammates will carry me, so I'm fine. What the heck? Napatay agad yun? What the heck? What the? I died! Ay, nandun pala yung mga kalaban. Man. Enable friendly fire. It's okay. I'm gonna get carried naman, so I'm all good.
Open fire. Sweeping out my ammo. Down.
Help me.
We're down a it's time to dispose of those defenseless.
Uy, 40 yung ano niya.
Medkit.
Grabe naman yun! Ganyan din gamit ka pang oso. Buti siya yung nakakuha ng pistol.
The safe zone's shrinking, but we're close. Makes right. That's the law of the battlefield.
NT! Siya yung nakapatay sa amin. Last game. Isa pa. Grabe talagang kinikerry ako lagi. Tignan nyo. 200. We survived. Hala, namatay na pala yung ano ko. Namatay na yung webcam. Anyways, it's fine. I'm fine. Last game. No hours na ba? 7:30. Okay, last game. La la la. Wait lang. Ay, gumana nung ano ko. Nung tablet. Drawing tablet. Nice. Yay! Ano yung pwede kong mabili dito? Ito, MK24 Dimmer. Legendary. Meron na ako niyang skin eh. Si Maggie. Lottery ticket. Man. Open. O, ano yun? Nakakuha ko ng Lucky Cloud. Tapos, ito. Meron akong 850. Oh, mayaman na ako. Pwede ko yung gaunin, no? Ito na lang. Sige. Redeem. Nice. Equip. Nice. I'm awesome. Wait lang. Okay. Let's go practice and then mag-ano na tayo. And then I'll be ready for later. Frozen talaga yung model ko. Do not worry.
Getting ammo. That little one's shield just jumped. Another one down.
I'm holding my fort. Oh shoot.
A new Reaper? Good luck with that. I've been hit. New enemies, huh? With the work of their shield, didn't I?
Ang ganda ng gun kong yun. Hindi ka na po. Namatay. Oo, na ano yung webcam.
I've been hit. Getting ammo. Open fire. Getting ammo.
Sobrang laser focus. Sorry. Grabe, 5 Natalia tinamaan. Wait lang, ire-reply nga pala ako muna. Sa... Hanap tayo ng ano. Ala, hindi ko makita yung ano. Wait lang. Sa TikTok. TikTok, re-reply muna ako sa mga ano. Messages. Yo. Yeah, guys, you can join our ano, our game night and movie night later. Wala naman nag-message. Hindi naman nag-message si Yasha. Wala namang message. Loloko ako. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. Wait lang. Sino ba yung Jetmaster? Ako ba?
I'm leading the drop.
Wait lang. Wala naman. Hindi naman mag-ano yung message. Marhayas hitting the second tower. Wait lang. Alam mo, maraming kalaban, no? Tingnan ako. I don't know.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert.
Looks like we're all in the safe zone.
Africa.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert. Open fire. Watch enemy shield shattered.
Getting ammo.
Enemy on the ground.
I need to level up. I won't play second fiddle.
That's a good start.
Enemy spotted.
May Dedge. Da 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 da.
Let's get back to the slaughter.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert.
Shield recharging. We're down a squad. That's not good.
Ay, kasunod niya. Funny. Yan yung pumatay ata sa akin eh. Ang dami naman.
Just a moment. I'm reloading.
Another one down. Enemy
I need a shield restorer. Restoring my shields. I'll be all right in a minute.
Under attack.
La 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 la. La la la. La la la.
Just patching myself up.
La 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 la.
Over here, my friends. Getting ammo. Enemy spotted. Stay alert.
Uy, Hornet pistol.
Shield recharging. Another one down.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert. Getting an enemy shield. Enemy knocked down.
Nice. Last 10 minutes. 7:40 na.
I need some assault rifle ammo.
La 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 la. La la la.
Enemy
La
spotted.
la la.
Stay alert. Just a moment.
Grabe.
I'm reloading.
Mary had a little lamb as sweet as white as snow.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert. Very well. I'm coming to help.
La 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 la. Yay! I get resurrected. Ay, iba pala yung gamit ko. Si Bo pala.
Using medkit.
Just half the squads are left. Healing up. Almost done.
This way, please. Enemy spotted. Stay alert.
Wala pa rin akong scope.
Restoring my shields. I'll be all right in a minute.
Airdrop arrived.
Enemy spotted.
Don't worry.
Stay
I'll play
alert.
nice.
Target hit. Enemy spotted. Stay alert. Changing ammunition.
Lululululot.
Wait for me.
We're all in the safe zone.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert. Enemy spotted. It's an ambush.
restoring shield.
Wala pa rin akong scope. Freak! Pwede rin pala kami dun tumalon.
This way, please.
Celebrate, celebrate.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert.
We're all inside the safe zone. Nice work.
Enemy spotted.
Oh.
I'll play nice.
La la la. Hello, PJ59. What's the difference between my father and the boomerang comes?
Like my bullets.
And the boomerang. The boomerang comes back and
New
brings
kill
back
in
the
the
milk.
crown. Just a moment. I'm reloading.
One less to worry about. Already?
This handsome face will be the last thing you see before your eyes close forever.
That little one shield just fine. Total elimination.
Grabe naman.
Love leveling up, though my prey might not feel the same.
Changing ammunition. Enemy spotted.
Don't worry,
Stay alert.
I'll play nice.
Enemy shield.
Looks like we're all in the safe
New
zone.
buddy has arrived.
Enemy spotted. Stay alert. 3 enemy squads remaining.
La, 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 la. Do you take applications to him? What? Lantern, this is my last game. Sayang, kung gusto mo sumali.
Perfect shot. Enemy shield shattered. 2 enemy squads remaining.
Reloading. Wait for me.
Tingnan kita mo 187.
Enemy squad.
Total elimination. That little one shield.
187 lang yung damage ko. Kumukuha ko lang yan para sa XP. Hindi ko alam kung paano sila gamitin.
This way, please.
Hala, nanalo kami nang wala akong ginagawa, freak! Anyway, magagusgusdak na. Ano ba yan? Diamond 3 lagot na! Ah! Pag tumaas pa to tumaas lagot na. Anyways, meron ka naman ginawa gumala. What the heck? Wait lang, tignan nga natin. What the heck? 187, 3,000, 2,000, 187! Freak! Nakahiya. I'm fine. Pero tignan nyo naman, no? Ang swerte ko lagi. Laging nakakasurvive yung mga... Uy, may MVP ako dito. Ngik, MVP ako 200 lang. Bakit ako MVP dyan? Tingnan pa nga natin iba. Yan lang ba yung record? Wala na iba? 8-7. Yay! I'm gonna read donations and then we're gonna unstream. Dark send heart me. Thank you so much, Dark. Longanisa Seller send heart me. Longanisa Seller send go popular. Thanks so much, Longanisa Seller. Ace Whole Pad sent heart me. Thanks so much, Ace. Yay! Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will catch you all in the next time. Bye-bye! Time for Goose Goose Knock and Gartic Pod. Bye-bye, guys. That boy saying longganisa seller. Ha? Bye guys! Sali kayo! Bye-bye!